Ever felt that pang of dread realizing your Clockify timesheet is a disaster zone of incorrect hours? Fear not, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit those hours in Clockify, ensuring your time logs are squeaky clean and accurate. First things first, log into your Clockify account. Navigate to the timesheet section. On the left-hand menu, find the entry you need to correct. Click anywhere within that specific time entry row. This will expand the entry, revealing all the editable fields. You can now adjust the start and end times by clicking on the time fields and either typing in the correct time or using the up and down arrows to adjust the hours and minutes. If the project associated with the time entry is incorrect, click the project drop-down menu and select the right one from the list. Make sure that your organizational policies are adhered to when changing project hours. The description field is also editable. Use this space to add or modify any details about the task you were working on. Providing clear descriptions will ensure data integrity and keep you organized. Once you've made all the necessary changes, click the blue Update button located at the bottom of the expanded entry. Clockify will then save your updated information, and you should see the corrected entry reflected in your timesheet. Remember to regularly review your timesheets to catch and correct any errors promptly. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can confidently manage and correct your time entries in Clockify. Now go forth and conquer your timesheets.